Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Or how has it gone? Mine is going pretty good. I'm not sick or anything. Just got a lot of stuff going on right now. But anyway, making videos makes me feel better. I haven't made many videos since Christmas, so Happy New Year's Eve. I'm filming this Saturday evening, and tomorrow is Sunday, it's New Year's Day, 2023. So I'm grateful that the Lord let me see the end of this year. Okay? Ain't no day promised to nobody, so I'm grateful. Anyway, Walter bought me a new air fryer for Christmas. I have been seeing Cooking with Doug do these unboxing videos and cooking videos with the CheFavor Smart Grill with Air Fryer combo. And it looks just like the Ninja Foodie Extra Large Grill to me, until you turn it on. It has a glass see-through window. It has an upper and a bottom heating element. So that's what I've been wanting for a long time. Okay, so let's get to it. This is the box. It came well packaged, y'all. This is the box it came in. Okay. And that box was inside of this big Amazon box. So it was well protected, because it had all the styrofoam foam and everything in it. I ain't gonna throw these boxes away until I actually turn this air fryer on and make sure it works. I don't want no surprises. Okay, as I was unboxing, it came with the instruction manual. And I noticed that this box don't even have the name CheFavor nowhere on the box. So I guess anybody could say, I could say this is MzBrazell Smart Grill and Air Fryer, and get a manual and say it's mine, because ain't nobody's name on this box. Why they do that? I've been noticing that on a lot of different things, gadgets and things. Just my 2 cents worth. Okay, let's get to the air fryer itself. It's gorgeous. Like I said, it looks like the Ninja Foodie. I'm gonna lift it. It's got all the stuff in it, so it's heavy. This is the way it looks. That's the back. The bottom. It has feet. They're rubberized feet. So it won't be sliding on your camera unless you want it to slide. I'm gonna put this on a mat so I can make it slide away from the wall. Okay. Now, let me show you what's in it. It opens up. Lower this. Okay, that's the way it looks inside. See that heating element up top. And this is going to eventually be dirty. So it's my other air fryer. All this, I've tried cleaning it. I stopped, because don't no food touch that, no way. This is the grill. So it's made. Okay. This is the fry basket. Look like it has some kind of nice finish on here. I'm still gonna spray everything so my food don't stick. This is the grill. What is this called? The griddle? The grill. And this pan has to stay in here, no matter which other thing you put in there. Okay, this is how it looks inside. Let me see. Like that. So the bottom heating element is up under here. So you always have to use this. And there's no special way you need to put this pan in here. It's the same all around. Okay. So this is 1700 watts, which is very important because I plan on air frying a lot of chicken. That's what I'm interested in. I plan on using this a lot. Not so much this. Because from what I've seen in other videos, it don't make the grill marks no way. And if it does, they're very faint. So, you know what, I'll be back. I'm going to see if my other grill pan will fit in here. On my Ninja. Just a minute. Okay, y'all. Here's my other grill pan from my Ninja Foodie extra large grill. They look about the same. It fits in here. Well, it's shut. It closes. Yes. Okay. And the new one is bigger. It's about an inch larger. The long ways. Let's see how this. And this got so the food was sticking. You know, I clean it and scrub it. So I think I scrubbed off the finish. So I plan on using this a lot. But this is much bigger than my Ninja. Okay, let's see about the pan. This is the pan from my Ninja Foodie extra large grill. Fits in there. Let's see whether it's shut. Yes, it does. Let's see where that grill pan fit in here. Whatever you call this thing. Yes, it does. Fits in there. I'm just looking at this for size. Let me see if this thing will fit. Nope. Nope. So like I said, the Ninja Foodie inserts are smaller. So I'm glad this is larger. I fit a lot of chicken wings. It's larger than the other one. Okay. So that's the way this looks. Let me show y'all the bottom. Okay, that's how the, let me see, I take this off. I ain't gonna be taking it off much because I didn't take the other one off much to clean. As long as it ain't touching the food, I'm good. Okay, that's how it looks inside. Like I said, it has a bottom heating element in here. It's covered up with this little black thing. Oh, this is something else that fits. Sometimes I use a pan inside my Ninja Foodie. Okay, this goes in here. It has to stay in there. Sometimes I use a pan in here. I want to make something extra messy. So, same pan will fit in here. Okay. Let me see. I need to plug it in so y'all can see it light up. Okay, I showed y'all the bottom. How the bottom looks. Oh, it has a, what you call this thing? Thermometer. There's a little secret compartment right there. See that little slot in there? That's where the thermometer, what you call this? Probe. I never use my other one. So I don't use these. I just use my instant read meat thermometer thingamajig. So I like the way it has inserts. But if you ever take this out, it'll be easy to put back in because it fits in slots. But I ain't gonna use it. So I put it back in this little secret hideaway compartment. And there's a little thumbnail thing. You can put your thumb in here to pull this out easily. A little drawer. Secret compartment. Turn this. So I guess this houses the bottom heating element. Okay. Nice feet. Rubberized. I don't know if this is going to throw hot air. There's vents under here. I haven't turned it on yet. Got vents in the back. What's that for? Smart grill with air fryer combo. It don't say nothing about whatever the name of this is, CheFavor. Okay, here's the cord. Look like a 2.5 foot cord. This has a grounded plug. Cord is nice and sturdy, thick, heavy duty. Turn this back around. You got instructions on where to put the meat thermometer. That's what it's called. And you got instructions on this side about how to preheat and when to add food and when to get your food. And the main thing that I don't like about this is it beeps a lot. Anytime you open the door, it beeps. Watched quite a few videos. And that beeping will drive you crazy. Okay, let me plug it in. That's what I'm doing. I hope my lights don't blow. I'm using an extension cord. Look at that. Okay. Well, I got a sticker on here I got to pull off. It says CheFavor. Okay. So, I'll show y'all. This air fries. It grills. It bakes. It has a griddle. That's that flat thing in there. It broils, it roasts, and dehydrates. I'm mainly interested in the air fry function. And it has a on button. It has, what's this, temperature? Yeah, that's the temperature. This is that's up. Down arrow is down. This is the time. Okay. So that's all I'm interested in right now. So this is my review of my CheFavor Smart Grill with Air Fryer Combo. Like I said, 1700 watts. And it does 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different functions. And I'm only interested in one. And it comes with all these inserts that I showed you. Okay, so I'll be using this tomorrow to air fry some barbecue ribs. And they don't give you colorful recipe booklets anymore. Turn this off. I'm about to unplug it. This is okay, I got it. Alright, so you saw how it lights up. And when you turn it on, it'll light up inside so you can see what's cooking. I didn't want to turn the heating part on right now. I want to press my lip. Have my lights blow. I'm hot. I want to hold this up so. So, I want to thank you all for watching me review another air fryer. Like I needed another one. Yeah, I needed this because I wanted it. And I got this from Amazon. And I'll leave a link. Walter paid $164.99 for mine. Of course, I was on there actually purchasing it. So you have to look for all the boxes you check for the money off. So as of today, they got $100 money off box that you check. So make sure you look for it. So like I said, mine was $164.99. Marked way down from $299. Well, I'll put it in my description box what I paid for it. Now it may or may not still be on sale, but make sure you check for all the money you can get off. Okay? Don't nobody want to pay no $2.99 for this. So, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a blessed New Year's Eve 2022. Okay. Bye.